It's just gonna be easy as fuck. You're gonna see me. Here's what's gonna happen, bro. I kid you not. Here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna spawn in the basement. I'm gonna wiggle out of those rinky-dink ass ropes. I'm gonna fall down, hit my head a little bit, but I'm alright. I'm gonna get up, instantly spawn right next to a what is that thing? Oh, the toolbox. Yup. Spawn right next to the toolbox, and then immediately after that, I'm gonna walk 5 feet, and there's gonna be a door, an exit door. I'm gonna unlock that door, like 10 seconds, you know, and then I'm gonna run up there, and I'm gonna get out. That's how it be. All right, we in. Wiggle out of this shit. Wiggle out of this shit. Come on now. What the fuck? Wiggle out of this. Get up, bitch. You alright? What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Come on, work a little faster. Move them hands. Move them hands. See what I tell you now. I'm gonna walk 5 feet, and there's gonna be a door. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What did I tell you? Alright, let's go. Oh, let's get it. We're back in it. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Now I know what you guys are thinking. It's the new game. Everybody's gonna be playing it. Yeah! You're right. That's why I'm playing it. We got Julie, Anna, Connie, Leland for the Survivor team. I believe in our skills 100%, 100%, no doubts. I'm gonna be the only one to make it out though. And for the family, we
fuck off you fat useless sack of fucking Yankee.
We have the cook, we have the hitchhiker, and Leatherface. Shit's gonna be easy. Alright. Let's struggle out of here. You hear the chainsaw? Alright, get free. Get free, Julie. Oh, yeah. What is this? Health? I'll take that. Yo, it's all like yellow on the sides of my screen, bro. Noise has awakened Grandpa. Keep still to avoid detection. Look at my teammate. Who's that, Anna? Oh, I got detected a little bit. I feel like I'm in Davon's basement. Davon. Oh! Oh, it's Anna. What are you doing?
In God's name. What is this place?
Let's go, Anna. Let's get out of Davon's basement. I can imagine this place is crawling with miners. Another health. There it is! Alright. I just need a lockpick. I'm gonna get 2. I'm gonna get 2. Okay, I got it. I got it, Anna. I got it. Did you just create that fucking noise? Oh my! Keep running! Keep running! Keep running! Keep running! I'm gonna. Oh my god! Shut it! Shut it! Shut it! Lock it! Ooh! 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 Move, bitch! Alright. Everybody just calm down, calm down. I think we escaped it. Oh, we did it! Keep running. Okay, okay. Back to square one.
What's through here?
I think we... Do you hear that? Oh, the door is open. Alright, let's go. Oh, shit. Stop making all that noise. Oh, stop making all that noise. Look at that shot. Ah. This way, this. What the fuck? Is that good guy? Oh, it's not! Keep running. Shut the door. Little bitch. Keep running. Woo! 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 Keep running. Keep running. Oh, keep running. Keep running. Get back the wheel. There's out there. Oh, nigga. Alright. Back to square one.
Hey, what's this?
I'm ass at this game. I'm gonna need health. I'm gonna need health. Alright, she did just get beat up. There was health right here, Anna, you bitch! Fuck it. Fuck it. Maybe I can find health upstairs. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's Anna, you... Give me the fucking health. Wait, there's health right here. Grandpa immobilized. This bitch just stabbed the old man. And you took my... Nah! Took my fucking lockpick. Alright, we're good. Turn this on. What the hell?
Look at me, hey, look, you ignorant bitch. Look at my fucking eyes when I'm talking to you.
Oh, I don't need it. Please. 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 Am I close to death? Yes. Will I die? No, surreal. Make it out this way. Hey! Wait for me, please! Please wait for me. Leland?
White folks are dead. We get the
Oh,
fuck
thank
out
God.
of here. Let's
More
go.
health. Dude, I am surviving. I am surviving. Leland? No, I'm good. Look at him over there, bruh. Look at him over there.
Where are you?
My health. Chicken?
I'm 11, so shut the fuck up.
Shut the fuck up, chicken. Wait, crouch down. Does he not see me?
Like, he just always in his own world. He really quiet for real unless he know you. He funny as hell.
Oh, he sees me! He sees me! Stop, bro! Fight the chicken! Oh! Yeah, what now?
Get out.
What now?
I'm not fucking around now.
Bitch. Where's he going? He's back over here? Who escaped? Who escaped? Anna, you motherfucker, bro! She took my lockpick and then escaped.
Who's the first nominee?
Alright, Cook.
And why?
Listen to me.
The first nominee and why he's
This is how it's
nominated.
gonna go down.
Is that fucking clear?
I'm gonna run past you, and you ain't gonna do shit. You hear me?
I ask the fucking questions, you give the fucking answers.
I'll take that as a yes. Come on now. Get over here, bro.
So that's how you measure your professionalism, by
bro.
standing there giggling.
What the fuck? Come on, bro. Let's get this over with. I'm running! I just need to find the exit that she took. Please let it be this gate. Fuck! I stepped in a jump. Please, please. It's not what it looks. Oh no.
A bitch in my past just wasn't feeling it. Bitch, yeah I did it. I've been feeling weird lately.